It's report card time. Well, Dad, I got an A minus. Look, see? You're such a disappointment. Next. I got a B. I know I didn't get an A this... Okay, I don't even know who you are, but that's a disappointment. What the fuck? Next. I wasted valuable skibbity toilet time for this. I got a B minus, I think. I don't know what it says. Well, at least it's not an F. Let's go out to celebrate. What the fuck?